Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. So today I'm just going to cut to the chase and show you this quick hairstyle I'm doing. I'm going to be doing crochet in the back. These are crochet braids that I've made myself. I've used them in other videos as well, which I will link below. So I'm basically just doing crochet at the back, like I just said, and a braid style at the front. So I'm just going to do like a feed-in braid style at the front, but you will see that when we get into the video. So this is the braiding pattern that I use, which I find is best. I know some people kind of cane row their hair going down and then attach the ends back up, kind of like what you do if you're going to do a weave. But for me, doing this method with the cane rows going horizontally just means that the braids lay down flat, like how your braids would naturally lay if you were going to do regular box braids. So this is the braid pattern that I've opted to use. The rest of the video is pretty much self-explanatory, so I'm just going to let you watch it and see for yourself. If you do have any questions, just drop a comment below and I will get back to you. Also, if you do want to order a set of these crochet braids for yourself, then hit me up on Instagram. Just DM me. My Instagram is @blisshaircare, which will also be linked below. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.